Good morning, guys. Gabriel is already waiting here, waiting for her sister to be here.
Why not bid then?
So, light jacket only, guys, kasi.
Why not a bid then?
Good morning, guys. Alarm off. Si Gabriel, guys, ay light jacket lang yung suot niya kasi hindi na siya malamig, but it's better talaga na. Oh, grabe. Nice flowers outside, oh. I'll show you guys later.
You could wear it, I guess, but
What?
it's not in there, right?
Kanina pa yung nagising, guys. Anyway. So, kasi in case lang talaga na medyo maglamig siya ba. Kasi in the morning, talagang malamig pa po siya, no? In case maglamig, hindi po siya malamigan talaga sa labas. Kasi minsan, pumupunta kasi sila sa labas. Naglalaro sila sa kanilang playground. Kaya it's better pasuotin siya ng light jacket. Right? Right, Gab? Gabriel. What's to do after you
Where
play?
does this go?
Where's all the Roblox? I mean the Legos thing. But that's okay. You can leave
Oh,
it.
there it is.
That's a little big, you know? Good job. You see, guys? Na-organize niya din minsan pag nasa mood po siya. Ang Lego, doon sa Lego. Mga tiles, doon sa tiles. Mga toys, dyan sa toy box. Alright, let's go!
What is this?
And we'll not go to school today, tomorrow.
Yeah. I mean, Mondays he just gets his assignments anyways. Unless he has to.
Oh, no.
If it's necessary, then not a problem.
Guys, we're home. Na-drop off na namin ang mga bagets and we are going to the store. May asawa pero kailangan pa niya pakainin yung aso. So guys, ganito lang. Ito yung sinuot ko kahapon. Actually, natulog na ako with this one. Charot. Nag-leggings lang ako, guys. Anyway. Tara, samahan niyo po kami sa aming errands for today and later we're gonna do some I guess planting. I don't know.
Hey, rip this up.
Guys, we're here na sa store. Ay, go get the bag, honey. My dear, because you're tall. Sama ko ang aking afam. Kuha kami ng bag. You need to get banana too. Okay? Hindi masyadong maganda yung kanilang banana today, guys. Guys, tingnan mo siya. Kumakain po siya.
It's alright.
It's okay? Not really? Kasi bago namin bilihin yung guys, tikman na muna namin kahit isa lang dahil look,
Yeah, it's pretty good.
hindi siya actually looking sweet.
How do you close it?
You don't close that. Make sure that's
it's
sweet.
got like right here. Look.
Can you try one more? This one, try.
No, you try.
Okay,
You're the one that's eating.
give me one. Subukan natin. Isa lang naman, so we can buy this one. Let's get that one.
Maybe
See.
it's good. All right, put it in. It's too big.
It's so big and cold. It's sweet, guys. Sweet. Bili tayo nito, guys, kasi gusto ng mga bata ito. Pizza rolls. Ang laki naman yan ng bag na yan. Ito na lang siguro, no? Yes. Here it is. Ta-ta! Madali ang food ba? Pag ka. Rice is life talaga. Congrats sa aking afam. Na. Hmm?
Oil.
Oh, yes, correct. Thanks for reminding me. Guys, bili tayo ng oil. Canola oil, guys. Well, I do use olive oil as well, especially for his food.
Olive oil is over here.
I know, but right now, we're good. Naman kami sa cereal aisle, guys. Hindi pwedeng pumunta sa store nang walang cereal. No, we still have cereal for the kiddos.
We do what?
The Cheerios. Kasi yung cereal ni asawa, guys, yan yung healthy. Yan, oh. Yan. Ang amin kasi is yung not healthy. Charot.
Only $3.
Alright, just one. Good. Alright. So, pagkatapos pala nito, guys, uwi na kami. And then, baka mag-plant kami. Ito po yung aming nabili for today's vlog. Vlogadag. Tapos, guys, uwi na po kami, no? Pero kuha muna kami ng gel. Yeah, I need to get the gel real quick.
You got talk.
Cart. Go, babe. Ay, naku, guys. Silly boy. Sana naman po ito siya pupunta, guys. Uy, akala po niya siguro may pera siya. Pero ang totoo, wala po. Wala.
Right there.
Guys, sa totoo lang po,
Is that the big?
yeah, nagpaplano kami na hindi masyadong marami ang bibilhin. Pero syempre, guys, no, you end up buying talaga kasi
No, if it's this one.
kasi hindi naman kami
That one
all
looks
that time
kind of thin. Let me see that big
nag-grocery.
one right there.
Anyway,
Is
guys,
that the same?
I don't know.
Those ones look better.
Bibili po daw siya ng socks kasi butas na po yung mga socks niya, no. Here,
What about your son? Oh, there's the ones I got right there.
he's fine.
Look,
Oh, it's on sale right
674.
now.
Look, 674.
Yeah, but look at the size.
So what?
Guys, nakaharbat po si asawa.
12
Nakaharbat
to
po
14,
siya.
big and tall. That's
Oh,
me.
there you go. That's you, baby.
I'm not 12 to 14, but I'll take the.
Nakaharbat po siya, guys. Wow.
What about-
Congratulations. Look, babe, what do you think?
That's regular, right?
What? Oh, you don't want this? Guys, ayan niya daw. Guys, bilhan po natin sila ng Easter thing, no? Yeah, just get her that. Who cares?
What about What about those?
Of course, on the other side.
Where?
It's actually more
There's
expensive.
grass. You got grass.
Do we need the grass?
Usually people put grass in there. Do you have any?
I'm no American, so I don't put grass.
You don't even
Pink? It's up to you.
green or blue. Like Cassandra could be pink. Gable could be blue.
This is good enough. Guys, kailangan talaga natin to ilagay para sa basket. Patay ang ating
See,
bangko
usually
de
people
oro
make
dito.
a basket like
That's what I said. This is what I want to do.
you get the big bucket right there.
Oh, this is the one he wants? Ito, guys, kunin natin to kay Gabriel.
Big blue bucket.
Ang kay Gabriel, guys, mura lang po ito. Kasi wala siya nung cute na ano. Ito lang naman ang gusto niya, simple. Ayan. Okay.
Then you buy a couple like little toys to put in there for them.
Right. Oh, okay. That's good. Yung kay Ate Cassie kasi.
A few moments later.
Ang sakit! Bahay na, guys. Hindi na ako nakapag-haul kasi ano. Ang sakit talaga. Hirap buksan. Napakahirap. Nakainis. Sabi pala ni asawa kanina, guys, hindi mo ba na-feel yung earthquake? Kasi ang kagandahan lang dito sa Amerika, guys, no, yung cellphone po namin is talagang meron talaga yung agad na alert. Ibig sabihin, diretso yung alert. Pag, for example, merong abduction, may batang kinidnap, so lalabasin sa cellphone namin like, alert, put, may sound siya na, ina-alert yung phone mo na, mayroong ganitong abduction na nangyari. So, kung makita mo ang sasakyan na ito, mga details ng sasakyan, ganito, ganyan, saan nilagay yung bata, ganito, ganyan. So, yan ang kagandahan. So, same din sa nangyari sa, may earthquake pala, guys, it's 6.7. Grabe lakas nun. Pero, it's like close by here. Thank God, wala dito. Pero, na-alert pa rin yung aming cellphone dahil nga is, ano siya, ina-alert yung mga cellphone ng mga tao dito sa Amerika, which is, talagang goods, di ba? Ma-aware talaga ang mga tao. Luto na po siya, guys. Ito lang yung ano natin. for today's pagkain. Yan siya guys. Oh. May paitlog po siya dyan. Itlog, onion, tomato. Tapos yung bacon guys. Yan. Gawin natin si kuya. Hati lang kami ni kuya nito guys. Yan. Okay. Oh. Tapos guys, ganito. Ham. Ewan ko bakit ang mahal ng ham na ito guys. Ano ba yan? Magkano ba to? Oh, hindi naman pala masama. 438. Ay, to talaga na mahal kasi nakita ko kanina sa store. Baka yung marami yun guys, no? Tapos lagyan po natin ng cheese. Oh, di wow! Oh, di wow! And then i-roll. Ayan. And yun na. Lagyan natin ng bacon kasi magtampo siya. Sure. Kuya yan guys. Yung pangalawa lang akin. No? Ininitin muna natin. Serve natin sa kanya. Ito na yung aking breakfast guys. Si kuya doon siya nag-eat kasi magawa siya ng kanyang assignment.